As a roofer, if I had to rank the different kind of materials that you install on a property, this is how I'd rank them and why.
Concrete tile.
I would give this a C tier. There's a lot of maintenance with it. It is more budget oriented than some other tiles. It does kind of have that traditional look. You just don't always get the best bang for your buck.
Clay tile.
I would actually give this an A tier. If you install a high quality clay tile, it can last a very, very long time. There's just nothing like the true beauty of a well installed clay tile roof.
3-tab shingle.
I would go D tier on this. It just ain't that good. Doesn't look good. It's very thin. You can have wind issues where wind blows off tabs.
Architectural shingles.
B tier. It's an affordable option. It also, can look pretty good. The reason it's not higher is it's just not a sustainable product. You're gonna have to replace it every 15, every 20 years. Solid B tier though. Very good, budget friendly, solid option.
Stone coated steel.
I would give this an A tier. You're getting all the advantages of metal, right? But you have a look that is a little more alike of a natural tile. If you don't know how to walk on it correctly, you're gonna dent it, you're gonna damage it. But yeah, there's a lot of positives, very solid product.
Standing seam metal.
This I would definitely give an S tier. I mean, this is about as good of a roofing system that you can put on. Comes in different shapes and sizes. Done right, it's gonna last over 40 years. And it also can look really striking. Pretty much my favorite roofing system.
Exposed fastener metal.
Solid A tier. There's a lot of different shapes and sizes. Here I'm holding a Worth House system. We use these a lot. They're gonna last a long time and not have to worry that much about wind. Those exposed fasteners can become a maintenance point. Definitely a very great product, so it's a solid A tier.
Composite.
I'm gonna give it an A tier. This is a beautiful, beautiful looking product. This will last a very long time. This is truly a 40 or 50 year plus roof. The reason I didn't quite give it an S is this one can be a budget constraint for some folks, but for the right home and for the right budget, this is a really, really great one.
Wood shake.
I don't have a wood shake. I'll give it a D tier. A lot of maintenance issues that can come up on wood shake. It can create a fire hazard as now you have wood on your entire home. There's an old school beauty to it, that's for sure. But you can kind of get that out of a synthetic to some degree as well. So let's get into my tier list. It's not perfect. There's some opinion in there. Of course, everyone's gonna have one. But it is important when you're looking for a roofing contractor to work with someone who does have an understanding of all the basic systems, has installed them before, and can kind of help guide you to the pros and cons of all of them, because there is not a perfect system. There might be one that's very functional, maybe the aesthetic isn't right for you. There might be one that is beautiful, but maybe the functionality is not there. There's different things like that to consider, so make sure you're working with a roofing company who can help guide you through all that.